Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make table in Google Docs apps. So in here, you can start by opening your Google Docs apps on your phone. And after that, here I'm going to just start a new document. Here I'm going to add a new docs file. And if you want to make a table, you can just click on the plus icon at the top right here. Then there will be this insert menu and you'll see the table. So click on the table options and adjust how much columns and rows that you need. For example, here I'm going to go with 6 columns and 4 row. Click on insert table. Now just like that, the table has been made and you can just fill in the table, or you can also do the adjust the settings. If you want to add rows, you can just click on the plus at the bottom, and if you want to add columns, you can also add plus like this. So if you want to fill in, just double click and fill in the table just like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.